Hi there, Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com. Thanks for joining me for today's cryptocurrency investment portfolio update, something I do on a daily basis since February 2021. Before I continue, it's very important I do the disclaimer. Make sure you stay to the end of the video, by the way. I always talk about something after the update. I'm not a financial advisor or planner, so there's not financial advice. Do your own due diligence, your own research, and also understand that investing can be risky, so don't invest more money than you can afford to lose. So what I want to do is share my screen, go straight to the spreadsheet, do the update, and just look at the markets afterwards. So this is the spreadsheet I do. I use 3 columns: altcoin, Bitcoin, and total. And green and red. Green is when it's moved forward on the previous day. Red is when it's moved backward on the previous day. So you can see yesterday we had a green day. Today is something different. So let's have a look at what today is, I believe. Get the figures on this page here, coming from a live feed into an asset group. See it on right here. And what we have here is the this particular portfolio consists of 1 Bitcoin and a selection of specially researched alternative coins or altcoins. That's the total. So this is US dollars, this is British pounds, this is the percentage split between Bitcoin and altcoins. So taking this figure here, 205,180 and 42. Let's put that in. 205, 180, 42. 205, 180.42. And let's bring that down. That is minus 16,000. So that's going to turn red. That is red. 16,264 down on yesterday. Quite a drop. And what do we got here? The next figure I want is 265,896 and 10 cents. 265, 896, 896 and 10 cents. If I got that right. Yeah, that's correct. So that down as well. Yep, that is down 20,000. So the overall portfolio is, wow, it's down. Bitcoin is down 3,970. The total overall portfolio is down 20,234. So it's a red day, pretty red, very red day. Let's take a look what's going on in the markets. So the market cap is down. You know, it touched 3,000. It's down almost 4,000. Yeah, it touched 3,000 on the 10th of November, but it's down today. Let's see what's down by. It's down 17% since its all-time high, which is okay. It's not bad. It's not too bad. 6 days, over the last 6 days, it can still bounce. It will still bounce back. Don't forget, you know, in its low this year, I mean, we've had the market as low as here. You know, so really where it's come from after the correction, shall we say, it's come from this position here all the way to, you know, to 165%. Okay, but if you were to take it down to what it is today, it's still 118% up from where it was in July. So overall, the market has grown, and there's bound to be corrections on the way. You know, think about this. When it came here, it did a correction here. They did a consolidation, another mini correction, and another consolidation, then up. This is what it's going to do. It's doing the correction. It's going to probably be a consolidation, and then up the next level. It doesn't go up in a straight line. It's just traveled a journey up here. It takes a kind of has to take a rest to catch his breath before it's time to go to the next level. So, and this is very similar because it, you know, this and this is very similar. Went up here, correction, took a breath, went down, gonna take a breath, then up. And what we had here, the same thing here, up here, took a breath, went sideways, down, then it's going to go sideways a few more days. What's this? This is like a 22nd to so that's about 8 days, maybe a week, and then start moving up again. So it's all good, you know. That you know, it could think about it. It could be down here, and it's not 1.6 trillion for the whole 1.1 trillion. Is that 1.18 trillion? So it's come a long way from 1.18 trillion, 1.14 trillion or whatever, to the 3 trillion mark, and it's just 2.6 trillion now. So it's all good if you zoom out and look at the big picture. Same thing as Bitcoin. Now, I drew these lines a long time ago to say Bitcoin is kind of bound for a while to stay within this trend, and it's having a bit of a challenge escaping the trend. Because the bottom line is support, the top line is resistance. But just when you think it's escape the resistance, it's back under the line again. It's still going in an upward direction. Okay, still going in an upward direction. And I said this, let me see, the monthly was still above the blue line. Just came under it. We're just at that blue line. That blue line has been a big challenge for Bitcoin to get past, and it just poked its head above it, went down underneath it. It's going to make another attempt to get past it because it's got to create that second peak. But we shall see. We shall watch and observe. Looking for this little downward tick to turn upwards. That's that. The Gaussian channel has said this red line was critical, that it doesn't fall below this red line. I was heading back towards the quicksand. As long as it stays above this red line, which it is, this red line is very powerful support, but it's having a bit of trouble clearing this green line that has been rejected. It's a resistance it's trying to finding challenging to get past. So it's gone down a little bit, but it will get past this green line. That's the objective. And on towards the orange line, you see, where it hits the 6-figure mark, and then eventually the blue line. So it's got a long way to go, and it needs to break cleanly past this line where it broke out of the Gaussian channel. And that can happen. You just have to keep watching the markets. But yeah, it's a powerful drop down, but because this is a very powerful support line, this red line, so is this 50-day moving average line. It didn't fall below it, but it hit the 50-day moving average line, the Bitcoin price. So, and this is interesting as well, that the mouth is kind of closed, and so the red is on top at the moment, it's coming on top, the green is below, gone below, as you can see. If you zoom in closer, I mean, if you zoom in, this is on the daily chart. If you zoom in closer to the 4 hours, you'll see it's very bearish. The red is on top, green is on the bottom, with a very powerful uptrend. Downtrend rather. The trend is strong, is what I mean. 1 hour is even more on top. Okay, so in the short term, it's very, very bearish, short term. But in the long term, this is interesting when you kind of go into the seconds, like 15 seconds. You actually see this change in real time. See it? Watch. Real time. Watch the ends of the red one and the green one. See them move in real time. You see? So the market is active and things are bearish, and they're still fighting it out. The green line and the green line is bearish. The red line is bearish. The green line is bullish, and we need the green line to be on top of the red. They're fighting and wrestling with each other, and at the moment, you'll see they've come close together. So you're seeing this in real time. If you watch the ends of these, they keep changing because we're zoomed in very close. Now things are slightly bullish. You see what I mean? See how they've gone bullish? This is looking at the market in real life. So you can zoom in really close like a microscope. This is like looking at a microscope at the market. You see things have just gone bullish. All right. Or you can zoom out, zoom back to today. We're still generally bearish. If you look out further, take a step back. When in doubt, zoom out. Like on the 1 week chart, we're still bullish. Okay, what's happened over the last couple of 24 hours, less than 24 hours, is largely not really relevant. That's what that is really showing you. So, some people get upset and think that they've seen Bitcoin drop and all that. It's in the big picture, in the big scheme of things, we're still bearish. Okay, Ethereum has also had its challenges as well, down to only 4,319. Wow, but that's amazing if you understand where Ethereum has come from. And all markets go through the same things. So the same thing that's affecting Bitcoin is a similar thing that's affecting Ethereum, similar thing that's affecting the whole market. It's not a Bitcoin thing. It's just what's happened. It's just one of those days. You get days like that, but things are focused on the big picture. I understand picture. We're still in line to go places. So basically, just put things into perspective. Make sure you visit our website here. Where's our website? Not soon. This one here, IamWealthyandRich.com. Get yourself the Millionaire Mindset and Investor Strategy free. Very simple, powerful strategy. And get notified. You'll be able to get notified when we have new stuff coming out as well, which will be very, very soon. So with that, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hit the like button, subscribe button, notification button. Share it. The link helps YouTube get this video in front of more people. I appreciate if you do that. And also comment below. Thanks very much for watching. I want to thank you very much for your time. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.